Here we're reviewing the raised toilet seat with handles that sits on top of the toilet bowl. So if you remember, I was talking to you about on the back side of this, you have these edges that will go under the back side of the toilet bowl. On the front side, you have this clamping mechanism that will clamp to the front of the toilet bowl. So with this one, you will need to raise both the seat and the lid. You want to make sure that these edges get underneath the back of the bowl. So you're going to place this on. And then you're going to take the clamp and you're going to tighten that to the toilet bowl. Okay, and this says that it fits both standard and elongated toilet seats, so you need to kind of check that out, see what you have, but it fits most seats. So as a caregiver, when you are giving someone verbal cues on how to use this particular toilet riser with a clamping mechanism, again, this is not my most favorite toilet riser just because it is secure, but it does give a little bit. So sometimes that can be startling, so you need to be aware of that. A lot of times people do use these, but I would prefer to see these if you just need a very mild amount of push-up from the toilet. You're pretty independent, not someone that's going to need a lot of force to get up off the toilet. So when you give them verbal cues, if they come into the bathroom with a walker or if they don't, they're going to back up to the toilet. They're going to reach back with one hand at a time, use the weight through their legs and their hands to lower themselves down on this toilet riser. Now when they go to get off the toilet, you want to have them shift their hips forward. They're going to push evenly with both hands, leaning forward, pushing up, and then taking one hand up and then the other hand up onto the walker. So this is the toilet riser with the clamping mechanism. Check out the comment section below for further details.